just about yourself.
I'm Dr. Ritika Sachdev, Director at Center for Cyclone Eye Hospitals.
Ma'am, first of all, congratulations for having this machine at your site. Please tell us more about this product and how you are catering the market.
So we at Centrosite have been doing refractive surgery for decades now. We have been proud to introduce many technological firsts in India and Asia, and in fact, this is the latest addition to our refractive surgery development called Claric. This technology today is the fastest laser available on the planet. So this laser corrects the spectacle power much like the previous laser, but it does so in a faster and gentler manner. Faster makes the procedure more comfortable for the patient and more precise in terms of safety is because you have the fastness of the laser married to a tracker, which makes the laser very accurately fire or a greater target so that the results are fast and accurate.
Ma'am, as I said, how you are catering the market means what are the age limit for this surgery?
So, LASIK surgery or refractive surgery, उसके बहुत सारे versions हैं, like you have Silk, Smile, Contour, now customized. Classically is done when your power is stable. The power becomes stable usually after the age of 18, sometimes after the age of 21. So the minimum age cutoff is 18. If your power has been stable for 1 year, we would want to document a stable power. So if you're wearing glasses and you come to us, we check that your glass power is stable. So you must be an adult with a stable eye power to consider refractive.
Ma'am, as we are in AI society and AI era, and you said that we are having a dry run or you can say a test drive. Could you please elaborate this particular term?
So this laser also comes with an AI platform which overlays the laser. That basically means that the laser is designed to treat your eye. But rather than treat your eye, we first recreate a virtual reconstruction of your eye, and the laser will treat your virtual eye. Once it is treating your virtual eye, we get the results. That this is your post-operative results. This is what you will be left with in terms of your vision, your quality of vision, the power removal, and you are able to see the laser do the surgery on your virtual eye. This will allow you to have a more safer decision making. It will allow your doctor to absolutely be confident about the results, and it will allow you to refine the surgery if needed. So this is what we call like a dry run, because the laser will first virtually fire, give you the virtual results. So you're looking into the future. तो आप अपनी सर्जरी एक वर्चुअल स्पेस में एआई के द्वारा करवा रहे हैं और फिर उसको टिक कर रहे हैं कि यस दिस इज माय आउटकम, आई चूज टू गो अहेड विद दिस, एंड देन द सेम थिंग विल बी रेप्लिकेटेड ऑन योर आई.
My last question is, ma'am, during the press conference, sir said that it is a functional surgery more than a cosmetic surgery. Can you please elaborate this statement?
So, see, there are two epidemics two aspects of the myopia. First is more people are getting glasses. Second is we are now getting higher myopia. For example, many of us have had powers of say -1 or -2. You're still able to functionally move around with this one. But if the power is -5, -6, without glasses, life becomes very difficult. If you do wear glasses, very thick glasses, minify your vision. So your vision may not be as crisp. And side से जो भी thick glasses होते हैं, you're restricting your field of vision. Whereas without glasses, your field of vision is wide. Not only this, you're also restricting your activities. Anybody with glasses, a lot of people with glasses actually don't learn swimming.
Yeah.
Because it's a life skill and you're keeping yourself away from it. A lot of people with glasses don't enter certain career options. For example, from the glamour industry to the armed forces. These are career options that you then limit yourself from. So the concept of refractive surgery is to not only allow you an unboxed vision, but also allow you to have all lifestyle and functional options that you need to change in your life be available to you. And that's why we call it a lifestyle, a functional surgery. it's not just getting rid of a cosmetic piece around your eye. It is actually functionally empowering your body to have, for example, you can run with a crutch or a prosthetic
Yes.
foot, right? But it is still appendage. And if you have the power in your foot, that is what empowers you. Similarly, the glass in a crutch that you're able to see with. But what if that power is restored back to you in your body form without any effect?
Yes.
That is the power of refractive surgery, and because it is getting safer, right? That is why more and more people are now.
Thank you so much, ma'am.